Welcome to this explainer. Okay, we need to jump right into this today because we have a truly unique and honestly a highly time-sensitive opportunity on our hands. We are going to dive into exactly how you can use Claude Fable 5 as your ultimate high-stakes virtual business consultant. If you've been following the AI space at all lately, you already know Fable 5 is arguably the absolute most capable reasoning model out there. So today, we're going to put it to work on one of the highest leverage activities possible. We are going to use it to completely stress test your business strategy.
But yeah, here is the massive elephant in the room. Fable 5 is finally back after its little brief hiatus, but there is a massive, unavoidable catch. It is only available through July 7th on your Claude subscription. So we have this tiny, incredibly urgent window to leverage the world's most capable AI model for deep, high-leverage thinking before it either gets locked away again or monetized in a totally different way.
And, it actually gets even more restrictive. You have to be so incredibly careful here because once you hit 50% of your weekly usage limit on your subscription, boom, you are cut off. After that 50% mark, you are forced to use pay-as-you-go API credits, and let me tell you, that can drain your wallet incredibly fast if you aren't paying close attention. So we literally cannot afford to just mess around and chat aimlessly with this model. We need a rock-solid system. To avoid wasting those precious tokens, here is our exact playbook. We'll cover the stakes, creating your master plan, connecting live data, prompting your advisor, the secret counsel, and finally, maximizing your limits.
Step 1. Create your master plan.
I want you to think of Fable like an outrageously expensive human consultant that you've just flown in for the weekend. You wouldn't bring them into your office, pay them thousands of dollars an hour, and then spend the first 2 days just casually chatting about what your business does, right? No way. You would hand them a comprehensive brief the moment they walk through the door. So you absolutely must write a master plan document first. It needs to contain your yearly goals and your core decision-making principles, like maybe one of your rules is work should feel like play or keep the main thing the main thing. You've got to define your positioning and your exact target customer. Fable also needs to know, actually this is absolutely crucial, it needs to know your personal operating system. What gives you energy? What drains it? And finally, your personal and financial context. The AI has to know the reality of your runway if it's going to give you practical, actionable advice.
Step 2. Connect live data.
If Fable is only reading static text, it's just operating on your biased assumptions. To prevent it from guessing in the dark, you need to connect it to your live data via APIs. Hooking up Mercury gives it read access to your actual real-time cash flow. Substack and YouTube APIs feed it hard engagement metrics, not just what you kind of think is popular. Vercel brings in those concrete website analytics. And connecting it to Google Workspace, that allows Fable to actually read your living documents and, best of all, write its analysis directly back into your sheets. It literally transforms Fable from a standard chatbot into a fully integrated system analyst.
Step 3. Prompt your Fable advisor.
So, with your master plan defined and your live data flowing in, ask Fable to step up and act as your advisor. You're going to use a simple but incredibly powerful prompt. Just ask it to assess your plan and data and write a brutally honest 3-month strategic roadmap. You can even tell it to output this directly as a brand new tab in your Google document. What you get back isn't just generic, run-of-the-mill advice. It is a highly targeted diagnosis of exactly where you are right now, what is actually moving the needle and making money, and what you need to fix immediately to hit your yearly goals.
Next up, a technique I like to call the secret counsel.
If you really want to push Fable to its absolute limits, you can build an optional escalation skill where it splits into 3 distinct personas that actually debate your strategy with each other. When your Fable advisor gets stuck on a really difficult strategic pivot, it fragments into the customer, the skeptic, and the operator.
Let's break down exactly what these personas are doing, because it's fascinating. Watching the customer, the skeptic, and the operator argue over your master plan forces the AI to consider edge cases you would have absolutely 100% missed on your own. The customer is looking at your new product idea and asking, does this actually solve my pain point? The skeptic is basically actively hostile to your assumptions, poking massive holes in your financial projections. And the operator? They ignore the theory entirely and focus purely on logistics, asking, okay, how many hours will this actually take to build? Watching the AI run this multi-agent debate internally yields a level of strategic clarity that is just mind-blowing. It's like having a boardroom of geniuses living inside your laptop.
And finally, step 5, maximize your usage limits.
Remember, because you are racing against that 50% weekly usage cap, you need strict, and I mean strict, token management. The golden rule here is simple. Never pay your outrageously expensive consultant to organize your desk.
Use cheaper models like Claude Opus or GPT to do all the boring setup tasks. Have them draft your initial master plan document or figure out the boilerplate code for hooking up your Substack and Mercury APIs. Save those precious Fable 5 tokens purely for the high-leverage stuff, exploring complex solutions, running that secret council we just talked about, and stress testing the finalized data.
And this workflow applies to the output side of things as well. Step 1 is using Fable 5 to draft the high-level plan and that brilliant strategic roadmap. Let it do the deep, heavy thinking. But Step 2, once Fable gives you that detailed feature plan, maybe mapped out beautifully in HTML or Markdown, immediately stop using Fable. Hand that detailed plan off to a less expensive AI model to do the actual line-by-line coding or the step-by-step execution. Think of it this way. Fable is the architect, the cheaper models are the construction crew.
Lastly, within the Fable interface itself, you really have to manage its effort settings. I know it's tempting, but resist the urge to slide the dial all the way up to ultra effort for every single prompt. Stick to high effort. If you default to ultra, your limits are going to evaporate almost instantly. And critically, you need to actively babysit the model. Fable is brilliant, for sure, but it can occasionally fall into a total rat hole, endlessly looping over a problem and burning right through your remaining tokens while you are in the kitchen grabbing a coffee. Keep an eye on it. Guide it.
Fable 5 is just an unprecedented tool for strategic analysis, but it is fleeting. You only have until July 7th. So gather your live data, meticulously prep your master plan using those cheaper models, and run your entire business through the ultimate AI stress test. The real question is, what hidden flaws and massive opportunities is Fable's AI Council going to uncover in your strategy today? Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer. Get your data together, get testing, and I will see you in the next one.